Men, and as usual, I use the term ever so loosely. This is going to be my last video. About Ironhead cam shims. Until, of course, I run across another example of damage caused by disintegrating cam shims. These bits and pieces are cam shims that were dug out of a cam chest on this Ironhead that's just out of your view right in front of me over here. Anyway, these pieces dug out of the cam chest. Chunks still visible. Well, whoops, there it goes. Welded to the gear. Still a little piece on there. Anyway, once again, end thrusting on a cam. Tore the shim all up to pieces, threw metal all over the inside of the cam chest, and caused some damage. And here is the oil pump rotary breather. This little guy lives just beneath the number 1 and the number 2 cam, and this is the number 1. I believe pieces of this got dislodged and ended up going down in here. And then when they were down in there, they came out of this window here, the rotary window, and got snagged by the breather sleeve. And if you look carefully at this thing, there's almost a shear line that's been machined into the inside of the cast iron housing. So when I took the motor apart, guess what? This came out the bottom and this was stuck inside there. It broke the oil pump housing completely in two. And there you go. The bike ran, apparently, at least I was told it ran. I was told that it didn't run well. Really, this really should not have affected too much how it ran. You know, eventually this would have caused a more severe problem than it caused. But anyway, pieces of ripped off cam shim, migrating to places they're not supposed to be, doing a little unintentional machining to the inside of the oil pump, and causing it to break in two. Word to the wise, I'd rather have an engine that ran a little noisy than an engine that was making parts as it was driving along. Anyway, I am out of here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Buy yourself a cup, buy yourself a sticker. See you later. Bye.